all the men are very energetic because they want to gift. All the men, are you ready? Remember, which means if you shop for 1 lakh and above. Loud, and let's welcome Henry. Is Diamond your best friend?
Actually, yes.
It has to be, right?
Yes.
Very nice. Because there is no woman in the world who will say, I don't like diamonds. It is always a yes. When it is such an auspicious occasion. Come on everybody, make some noise! Well, ladies and gentlemen, from Namma Bengaluru, here's the official grand launch of Joyalukas Diamond Jewelry Show. Well, discover the ultimate jewelry showcase and time.
For every purchase of more than 1 lakh. We're also running our August 15th offer on the gold jewelry. Just to add, all of us in the Joyalukas family just got back from one of India's biggest exhibition of gold and diamond jewelry, where we hand-picked some of these jewelry items that you see, especially the special diamond collection that we have unveiled here today comes from the latest and greatest designs from the best designers in India. So please take a look. Hopefully all of you would make a purchase. Thank you.
Thank you so much for having me here, first of all. I never expected this. I'm a regular visitor to Joyalukas. I think we've been associated with the shop for nearly 7-8 years. And each time I've come, everything is new. What I'd like to really tell here is the staff that you people have got, they're just wonderful. Each and every person is so nice, so courteous, they're so helpful. This is one thing I have. Many times we just come to have a look at the jewelry, just to go through what is it, but somehow we land up buying something because they don't allow us to go without anything. So this is what the staff are here. So congratulations to you for having such wonderful staff, and of course the designs you have is really very nice. One thing I wanted to say, many times what the designs you have is usually what is outside. You know, what you have in Dubai or Malaysia, or it's very different, very different. But last time when I met one of your family member, I just suggested to her, like, it would be nice if you could have some South Indian jewelry as well. Because we don't see any South Indian jewelry here, traditional ones actually. So it was a suggestion, and the madam was very nice. She said, of course, we will introduce South Indian jewelry in the shop. But otherwise, definitely your diamond collection is wonderful. It's very nice.
And you can witness it yourself how wonderful it looks. I want to ask all the lovely ladies, how's the collection? Beautiful, right? How many of you want to buy it right now? Both the hands, make a heart. I have a mic, so I can't do it. Everybody, I want to see all. You're going to make a heart on top and say the best. Well, a stunning collection for the stunning women around Delhi. Joyalukas, you say the best. Okay. Joyalukas. Fantastic, capturing this wonderful smile.
ಸೇಲ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಐಟಮ್ ಆದರೂ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಇವನ್ ನನ್ನ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ಗೂ ನಾನು ಕೊಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಡೈಮಂಡ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಮುಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅವಳು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಲು. ಸೊ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಹರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರ ಜನ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು, ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಸನಾತನ ಧರ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಟ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ.